Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we're going to be looking at a brand new product from the case company Spigen. Now I say the case company because in my eyes they're best known for their iPhone cases and just in general some other cases for other devices that I've been using for a very long time now. However, their newest product is actually a pair of wireless Bluetooth headphones. Now they're called the Legato Arc and they're really interesting in a lot of different ways, so let's take a look. So as you guys can see from the design, they're basically following on from what Sony and LG have done and have a neckband design to them with retractable earbuds. Now this for one is very interesting, as in regards to the actual fit, I've had no issues whatsoever. Now I did actually go for a little bit of a jog / run with these headphones on, and because of the neckband they stayed in perfectly fine. Now for me, any set of wired headphones work out really well in terms of the fit within my ear, but for some reason Bluetooth headphones, whether they're completely wireless or they've got the little wire that goes between them, don't necessarily fit my ears all too well, and they tend to fall out quite a lot. Now because of the design of the actual headphones here from Spigen, what it allows you to do is have a normal sized earbud. Now it is completely retractable from the neckband itself, so once you pull on it you can pull it out to any length that you need to get that proper fit up to the ear itself, and when you're done all you then need to do is pull it out to the full extent and then it's going to retract back into the neck piece. So this means it's really convenient and actually is super tangle free. I've not had any issues with the mechanism itself, and taking the headphones in and out of the neckband, I've not had any problems whatsoever. Now I would like the neckband to maybe be a little bit heavier, as for when I was actually running around or jogging for example, because the neckband being so light it did move ever so often, but not to the extent where it actually affected the fit of the earbuds. I did maybe have to adjust the neckband from left to right for example, but the actual earbuds themselves stayed in without any issues whatsoever. Now in the packaging itself you do get different sized ear tips, you get 3 to choose from small, medium to large, so you're going to be able to get the right fit that you need to, and you're also going to get a micro USB cable to actually charge the headphones themselves. Now they charge from 0 to 100% in around an hour and a half, and that's going to give you around 10 hours of audio playback or 10 hours of phone calls. On the headphones you've got any microphones that you may need to take or receive telephone calls, a multi-function button on the side which is used to power on the headset, play, pause, and also for the Bluetooth pairing, and then you've got a volume slider just behind that as well, and it doesn't actually press in like a button, it slides backwards and forwards to allow you to skip track and also increase the volume. The neckband itself is very flexible, so you're not going to have any issues at all with the fit. Now I was a bit dubious of a neckband style headphone because for me it makes them a little bit harder to carry around or put into a bag. However, because they are so flexible, I don't really have any issue with putting them inside a bag or even inside a jacket pocket, and it is going to fold up even ever so slightly, but that slight bit of movement allows you to put it into a slightly smaller space, so you don't have to worry about having the headphones out 24/7. If you do want to put them away or just pack them away somewhere, then you've got the option to do so. Now the headphones themselves are designed extremely well. As you can see you've got a really nice metallic outer edge with a grille in the middle there, and as you can see from the shape of the headphone, they're designed to fit inside the ear really well. Now unlike some other Bluetooth headphones that have a neckband to them, they normally have 8mm drivers, however with the Legato you've got 14mm drivers. So what that means is you've got really high quality sound, deep bass, and just in general they sound really good with a variety of different music. As you know, if you've been following me here on the channel for a long time, I listen to pretty much anything that I like the sound of, whether that's pop, rock or acoustic music or any dance music for example. I pretty much listen to all of it on a regular basis, and I've clocked up a ton of hours on Spotify listening to all types of music. So for me, in terms of testing the headphones, I've used them on a variety of different genres and they sound extremely good. Now obviously sound with headphones is completely subjective to how you like your sound to be, however in terms of the clarity and the sound stage, I think they're going to be good for pretty much anybody. Now you've got around a 10 meter or 33 foot range in regards to the headphones, and I've tested this and it works extremely well. Again, I've had my phone down here in the lounge for example, and I've been up in the bedroom or outside and I've not lost signal whatsoever, so in regards to that, you're not going to have many issues. They've also got rapid charge built in as well, so in regards to the battery that I mentioned beforehand, 5 minutes of charge is going to get you around an hour of listening, which is really good. If you do want to go for a run but you maybe haven't charged your headphones overnight, for example, putting them on a quick charge while you get ready for the run, you're going to have an hour to play with, which is plenty for the majority of people. But overall guys, these headphones sound extremely nice, and that wasn't really something that I expected from a company like Spigen. You can pick them up now on Amazon. They're around £79 here in the UK or around $99 in the US, and as always that's going to be linked in the description down below. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. If you've got any questions or comments about these headphones or anything else on the channel, let me know in the comments section or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. Also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social networks, which are linked in the description as well, from Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and also don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube for more content moving forward. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.